How to update WeCash app to its latest version. So first go ahead and open Play Store. After opening Play Store, your screen should look something like this. Here you'll see an option called search on the bottom right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it and tap on the search bar at the top. Then simply go ahead and search WeCash and you'll see an app which is launched by WeCash app and has more than 1 million downloads. Here, if you already have the latest version downloaded, you'll not see an update button, but if there is any updates pending, you'll see an update button right next to the uninstall button. And these are some simple few steps to update the app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.